Let's import our smart credit report. In order for you to import your smart credit report, you must log into the site utilizing your login credentials. Once you have logged into the smart credit site, you will then click Reports, click 3B Reports and Scores, and you will be taken to this screen. Once you are taken to this screen, you will click Switch to Classic View. So let's click there. Once we have switched to Classic View, we will then need to open up a new tab, paste the link that is at the end of this video, and click Enter. You will then be taken to this screen, and on this screen, you want to right-click and scroll down to where you see View Page Source. So let's go ahead and click there. And that HTML code is going to populate onto the screen. Now, in order for you to copy and paste this HTML code into the software, for your MacBook, you're going to click Command A, Command C. For your HP or Dell computer, you're going to click Control A, Control C. Once you have copied this HTML code, you're going to go back to your software, click in the Manage Client tab, and we're going to search for that client that we want to upload that smart credit report to. Scroll the screen to the right and click Upload Report. So let's go ahead and click there. Now we want to ensure that smart credit is selected here in this box. And we want to also click here in this box to paste that HTML code. So let's click there. Now, in order to paste that HTML code into this box, we need to click Command V for your MacBook or Control V for your HP, Dell, or other computer. Once that HTML code has been copied and pasted into this box here, you're going to click Process HTML. The software has processed that HTML, and you will click Save Report. Click OK. And you can now go to your work area to attack the negative items on your smart credit report.